What's up everyone? In this tutorial, we're going to be showing you how to use Bybit 20 USDT coupon. So make sure to stick to the end of this video so you can know how to use it. Right away, we're going to go over to our Bybit app. And then on the home screen, you can see Reward Hub. If you're having problems finding it, you can go over to the top left corner where you have your profile icon and tap on it. And then you're going to see Rewards. You're going to click on View More Tasks. And then you're going to find your 20 USDT coupon right here. Now, if you're just opening your account for the first time, you definitely will be seeing the 20 USD coupon code here. In my case, this has already been used. We're going to go over to the top where we have My Rewards, and we're going to tap on it. And here under All, you can see 20 USDT fee saver for derivatives. That's right. In order to use the 20 USDT coupon, you need to know where it can be applied. So we're going to tap on it for more details. And you can see that this coupon is under Welcome Gifts. And you're going to see also the product for derivatives. And as you can see at the top, you can see Fee Saver. So this 20 USDT coupon can only be used when you're trying to pay for fees, such as transfer fees and purchase fees. And in order to use it, you need to use it with trading pairs with USDT as the quote currency. Take note that this coupon code has its deadline, so you need to take note of it for your new account. So if your 20 USDT is available as a welcome gift, all you need to do is to go over to derivatives or trading. Right here on the home page, we have the trading button at the bottom of the screen. When we tap on trade, we can see the trading dashboard. And when we look at the top, you can see USDT as the currency we will be dealing with. Now, when you're ready to trade and you put in the information and you click on buy, there will be the option to apply the coupon code. You're going to tick the box and make sure to follow any terms and conditions in order to use it successfully. So this is what you need to do if you would like to use Bybit 20 USDT coupon. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.